Get it, girl. Stay with it.
Go, Jack. Go.
Whoa, whoa.
There you go.
Wow, you're doing good. I had a hard time with it.
Stop, 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 stop.
Hold on. That dry spot screwed me up. I want to do it again. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hold it.
There you go.
Oh. Are you alright?
On her butt. Dang.
Damn it, I should have kept it going. I fucking stopped it.
Who skis behind a truck at 20 miles an hour and then just trips on her own?
Damn it, I think I had the sound off for that.
That's good.
Again, again.